Hey guys, welcome to GSL. This is Gulshan Singh presenting today complete noun classes. This is our third and last classes on noun. Please join this 45 days complete English course. I provide you complete triple C course, standard 6 to 12 complete courses, Indian polity and many more. So this video is going to be more interesting. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now comes to the first topic, errors detection rules of nouns. I comes today in detection rules of noun. Dear friends, some nouns are always plural. As we know, nouns are always plural. We cannot make these nouns singular by removing s, like scissors, tongues, pillars, pincers, billows, trousers, pants. We cannot make it singular by removing their s sign. You can understand friends like binoculars, eyeglasses, alms, amends, archive, congratulations, fireworks, thanks. We can't make it singular by removing their s sign. Proceeds, wages, remains, tongues, valuables, etc. Dear friends, we can't make it these kinds of nouns singular by removing their s sign. As we can see in these examples, where are my pants? This is right because we always use pants, not pant. Alms are given to the poor. Alms are given to the poor. Alms are given to the poor. Alms, this always carry s sign, so this sentence is right. She give him an alm. Alm, here alm we cannot take s sign, so it becomes wrong. She give him alms. Here alms take s, then it becomes right. The scissors are required here. This is also right. We can also use scissors like a pair of scissors is required. This is also the best use of scissors like in these sentences. Friends, now comes to the second rule. Some nouns are always singular. Some nouns are always singular. We cannot make these nouns plural by adding s or es. We cannot make these kinds of nouns plural by adding s, es or ies, like scenery, poetry, furniture. I can't make it plural by adding s or es. I can't make it furnitures, advices. It's wrong. It becomes wrong. So we use always like this: advice, information, hair, business, mischiefs, bread, knowledge, wastage, evidence, paper, breakage, fuel, language, cost, etc. We cannot make these nouns plural by adding s or es. Friends, as example, we can see I have no information. I have no information from her. This sentence becomes wrong because the usage of s in information. I have no information. I have no information from her. It is right. I have no information with her. Is no information from her is right. His hair is black. His hair is black. It is also be right because here can't use hairs. Because we can't use here hairs. It becomes wrong. Guys, it becomes wrong. So comes to the next one. The scenery of Kashmir is very charming. The scenery of Kashmir is here scenery. We can't make it scenery. I can't use IES with it. Then it becomes wrong. Then it becomes wrong. Guys, wrong uses like jewelries, furnitures, luggage, sceneries, informations, etc. These are wrong uses. These are wrong uses. These are wrong uses. He have two sheets of paper. 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 All pieces of information given by her were reliable. She eats two slices of bread. Many kind of furniture are available in this shop. These sentences are right. Now comes to the third rule. Some nouns are always plural in form but singular in use, like mathematics, news, physics, ethics, mechanics, innings, politics, economics, etc. As example, we can see physics is an easy subject. Physics is an easy subject. Physics is an easy subject. This is right. Mathematics is a difficult subject. It is also be right. Economics. It seems us like plural, but in usage it is singular. Like economics, it is singular noun, and we use singular verb with it. So economics is an optional subject. Politics, it is also a singular, so we use singular verb with it. Lost its moral character, it is also be right. When we use your, her, such, his, these words with these nouns, then we use plural verb. Then we use plural verb. Okay, you can understand. When we use your, his, the, such, these words with these nouns, then we use plural, because if we add the mathematics, then it becomes plural, because it is personal to someone, so the mathematics are, we use them, the mathematics are. Okay, when we add your, her, the, such, his, these words with these nouns, then we use plural verb. Okay, now you can, I think you can understand it. And it comes to the next one. These mathematics are wrong. It is right. How? Because we, this becomes personal with the use of this. This mathematics are wrong. You can understand it. The economics are singular, but when we use the with it means the economics of this country, then it becomes plural, and we use plural verb, plural subject and plural verb. We always use plural subject with plural verb. Like this, the economics of this country have is plural verb yet to be improved. So this sentence becomes right. Note: subject is equal to singular verb. Subject is equal to singular verb. Subject is always singular verb. When mathematics, economics like comes as subject, then it is singular verb. But when we mix their quality, then it becomes plural verb. We also can understand with our Hindi language. जब तक यह nouns subject की तरह यूज होगी, जब तक when these nouns are used as subject, we always use singular verb. If these nouns are used as quality, then we always use plural verb. And I think you can understand. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to this channel if you understand. Now comes to the rule number 4. Some nouns are singular in form but plural in use. Some nouns are singular in form but plural in use. Like infantry, children, cattle, gentry, quickly, police, nobility, people, poultry, admirately, peasantly, slavery, cavalry, etc. Okay, we use always in plural form. We use these kind of nouns always in plural form. These nouns are similar but plural in use. Okay, like police had arrested the thieves. Okay, we use in this sentence police is plural and plural in form, but in use it becomes plural. It is singular in form, but in use it becomes plural. We can make it singular with use of the policeman. With the policeman. The policeman have. Okay, we can understand the policeman has arrested the thief. If we use the police, then it becomes plural, and we use plural. Then it becomes singular, and we use singular verb. Like this, in this sentence, police is plural, and we use had arrested. This is in past sentence. Our cavalry are very strong. Our cavalry are very strong. In this sentence, cavalry are plural, and we use are with it. Cattle are grazing in the field. Are we use are because of cattle is plural in use. Note: we cannot add s or es or ies with these words. Remember it and use it carefully. And it comes to the next one, rule number 5. In this, we can understand numerals and nouns. What we understand numerals and nouns. We always use numerals with noun. Like 2 rupees, it becomes wrong. The true one is 2 rupee note. 2 rupee note. We cannot mix it 2 rupees note or 2 rupees. 2 rupees is right. Sorry, 2 rupees is Right. Hmm. Sorry. Sorry, 2 rupees is right. We cannot use like a 2 rupees note. 5 stars hotel. It is wrong. 5 star hotel. It is right. Five. We cannot make it 5 star hotels. We cannot use or like hotels. We only use. Sorry. Sorry. 5 star hotels. We can use 5 star hotels. Guys, like 5 star hotels, 5 star hotel. It is wrong, but we cannot use it 5 stars hotel. It can't happen. Like same, we use 2 rupees or 2 rupees, 2 rupee note. It is right, but if we use 2 rupees note, then it becomes wrong. We always use 5 miles. It right. It becomes right. If we use 5 miles race, it is it becomes wrong because we can't use a noun in plural form with numerals. Okay, numerals. If it is in plural form, if it is singular or plural, we always use singular or plural noun with their conditions. Like when it is singular in form, then we use singular. If it is in plural form, if it is in plural form, then we use always plural. Then we always use singular. Sorry. Then we always use singular. Okay, and we see down mile noun. If if any words come after noun as like race, then we use it in singular use. Then we use it in singular form. Now comes to the next one, rule number 6. Million, billion, thousand, pairs, gross, score, thousand, dozens, stone, etc. If we find any number before these words, then we will use these words in singular form, like 2000, 5 billion, 6 million, 12 dozen, 7 pair, etc. If we try to make it like thousands, dozens, uh, okay, then we use like uh, dozens of bananas, billions of rupees, pairs of shoes, billions of rupees and pairs of shoes, etc. Note, note it. He need 1 million rupees. He need 1 million rupees. It is right because here it comes one and million like this. He need 2 million rupees. He need 2 million rupees. It is also be right because of 2 million. Like example first. I need 12 dozen of bananas. I need 12 dozen of bananas. This sentence is also be the right because of 12 dozen according to the first example. And comes to the next one. Rule number 7. If here comes noun, preposition and noun. If in sentence uh, comes noun, preposition and noun, then we use it in singular form like town after town, mm, door to door, ship after ship, row upon row. This is the right one. We can't use it like towns after towns or ships after ships. We can't use like it. And it comes to the next one. And rule number 8. Like collective nouns. Now comes to the next one. Rule number 8. Collective nouns such as deer, sheep, staff, tree, species, fish, cow, team, jury, aircraft, kernel, etc. We use these nouns either singular or plural depending on their uses in sentence. Like, jury has given its decision unanimously. In this sentence, we can see the decision is taken by jury together in together form. Then we use plural verb. Like it. Jury has given its decision unanimously. Okay. If we feel that jury were divided or in opposition form, then we use plural verb like jury were divided in their opinion. Here where is in plural. Here where is plural verb. Here where is plural verb. Now comes to the next example. There are differences. There are different series of numbers. There are different series of numbers. These are different series of numbers. Our team are trying their new uniform. Our team is the best. In this sentence, we can see our team. It can feel us togetherness. It can feel togetherness. Here we feel togetherness. So we can say it here if use singular verb. And it comes to the next rule number 9. Many plus plural noun plus plural verb. Like or many plus an article a, singular noun and singular verb. Like it. We can see as example, many A students have passed the IIT exam. Many A students have passed the IIT exam. We can see here many, and after it comes A, and then comes what? A student. Many a student, but these all are in singular form. It's right because of many A and students are also be singular. But this here we can see have is plural verb. Have is plural verb. Then we should use it as has, which is in singular form by this rule. So this sentence becomes wrong. Many women have come. We can see here many women from first uh, of rule number 9. We can understand many women have come. Many, but woman is in singular form. It is in singular noun, and we use plural verb. Then it becomes also wrong. We can see the this example like many women have come. So we can see here many and women, which is plural noun, and also here we use plural verb. So we can say this sentence is right. And come to the next example. Many a women have come. Many a women have come. This sentence is also be wrong because of we can see from the second one example of the rule number 9. Many a woman. We should use here woman because of we always use many plus a plus singular noun, and also we use singular verb with it. So this becomes a sentence incorrect. And comes to the next one. Many a women have come. It Many women have come. We can see here many plus a plus woman, which is singular noun, but we also should use a singular verb. But here it use here in this sentence we use have, so it becomes it wrong. And comes to the next one. Many a woman has come. Many a woman has. This is mm, true because of in this sentence many plus a plus singular noun plus singular verb all comes together. So this becomes sentence correct. Dear students, if you like my GSL more, then please subscribe and share it. And you can also be joined to our Telegram channel or my WhatsApp group. You should be a part of GSL and go ahead. And comes on rule number 10. Apostrophe. To show position, we use apostrophe s. To show the position, we use apostrophe s. Like Pravin's pen. He tried to say this pen is of Pravin. So we use Pravin's pen, means Pravin ki kalam. Ram's book means this book belongs to Ram. Ganesh book, Ganesh pen means this pen belongs to Ganesh, and this to their position. So we use apostrophe s. Never use apostrophe with non-living things. Never we use apostrophe with non-living things. We should only use apostrophe with non-living things if the non-living things were big. If the non-living things were big, like Earth. Earth is big and non-living. But we can't use Earth. But we can use Earth. But we use Earth because of their hugeness. Okay, and it comes to the next, and it comes to our point. Kahar's door. It is wrong. We can say the door of car. We can say the door of car. The blade of fence. We can say the blade of fence, not fence blade. It becomes incorrect. Note: if physical position is not there in a noun, is not there in a non-living things. If physical position is not there in a non-living things, then we can use apostrophe. If there not comes any physical position, like India's economy, like country's growth, like Earth's atmosphere, etc. In this sentence, there is none. In this sentence, there be doesn't any physical position. So we use India's economy or country's growth or Earth's atmosphere, etc. Never use double apostrophe in one sentence. Never use. My husband's secretary's father has expired. This makes sentence wrong because of double usage of apostrophes. The father of my husband's secretary has expired. This becomes sentence right because of single use of apostrophes s in this sentence. Okay, so we can understand it. more carefully. Now comes to the next example. Kapil's bag. In this sentence, bags belongs to Kapil. We can understand it. Kapil's book. Kapil Agrawal's book. Kapil Agrawal's a businessman's book. Kapil Agrawal, a businessman in India's book. All these sentences are correct. This is the best example to understand. We can see from this example Kapil, Preeti and Priyanka's father is present. Kapil, Kapil's, Preeti's and Priyanka's father are present. यहाँ all these fathers like here Kapil's father, Preeti's father and Priyanka's father all are available, but in this sentence we use it different. We differentiate it or we use it. Now we can practice uh, our non classes which I teach you like this. She has a 20 rupee note. This is wrong. What then correct form? She has a 20 rupee note. It's the correct. These news are false. It is wrong because this news is false. Because of news is always singular and we use singular subject with it. I want two papers. It is wrong. I want two pieces of paper. It is right. We can use it here. We cannot use papers as I teach you in previous slides. Sunita had sold all her furniture. This is wrong. Sunita had sold all her furniture. This is right. Our elders gave us many advices. This is wrong. Our elders gave us many pieces of advice. It becomes sentence correct. Now comes to the next one. 10 miles are a long distance. It is wrong. Then how make it correct? 10 miles is a long distance. 10 miles is a long distance. We use is with 10 miles. This is my son's in-law house. It is wrong. How? This is my son in-law's house. This is my son in-law's house. Then it becomes right. Amazing stories are an interesting book. Amazing stories are an interesting book. This is wrong. Then how we make it correct? Amazing stories is an interesting book. We use is with amazing stories. Thompson's poetries are very charming. This is wrong. Then how make with it correct? Thompson's poetry are very charming. We cannot use poetry by adding s or es or ies. We remember it. Okay, we remember it. We should always remember it. Is your seizures dull? It is wrong. Why? Because are your seizures dull? Because are your seizures dull? Now comes to the next one. The committee was divided on this issue. The committees were divided on this issue. The committees were divided because here we can understand dividedness of committees. So we use plural verb with it as like where. Mathematics are not a difficult subject. This is wrong because mathematics is singular in use and we use is with mathematics. There were no gentries in the function. Here I is missing in there were no gentry in this sentence. The fireman committee had a 3 hours meeting yesterday. The fireman committee had a 3 hours meeting yesterday. Okay, here we use singular noun. A fireman committee. She said, please give him an all. But we always use all with s. So this becomes sentence wrong. Comes to the next one. And this is a practice exercise question. You can practice it. You can also take their screenshot and I provide you their answer in the next slide. And you also can comment answers of these questions in comment box. And this is their answers. So do it as your homework, or you can also comment it, and you can also send me their pics after solving it. Thanks for watching. You can also join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp me. Join to us. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.